Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened in this final week at SJIES. Start the clock. Monday started with our whole school assembly, and shortly after, we had our Moving On Up session where we had met our new teachers for 2020. Both grade 4 students and staff after school were involved in service, wrapping Christmas presents for raining raincoats. There was also a rehearsal for the crib service later in the week. The virtue of our final week, love. Tuesday, grade 3 had their celebration of learning. First thing, and later that afternoon, the winners of the house competition enjoyed their reward. Wednesday started a busy graduation day for our grade 6s, starting with their graduation assembly. Later that morning, the grade 1s had a party celebrating the end of their Celebrations IPC unit and the end of a great year. Thursday saw a Christmas bake-off happening here at SJIES, as well as a crib service that evening. Friday brought 2019 to a close, starting with our final assembly. The day finished early with everyone saying their farewells before heading off to enjoy the break with family and friends. On behalf of Jess, Zara, Sophie, Tess, and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Olivia. We hope you have a great festive season, and we'll see you again next year.